Hello, welcome back, Mr. Make Stuff. It's a quick tutorial on how we use Audacity for some of our sound effects. So what we'll do now is just walk through how we make sounds for our soundboard.
I am your father.
And to find John Connor.
That's the soundboard we're using. We're gonna
Subscribe today.
we're gonna use some of these throughout some videos. So how we basically do this is Audacity is a software that we use right here, and that allows you to hook up your mic and record. But let's test and show you how we do this. So oh yes. No, selector, rewind, quick, change the channel. That was a bit loud there, spiked, so do that again. Quick, change the channel. So basically that's what we've got. First point of call is doing noise reduction. So if we go to effects and noise reduction, you want to first select an area of your sound that isn't your voice. So it's basically picking up the background noise. Select it, come to noise reduction, get noise profile. That lets it see what is the background noise and what isn't, and deselect that a little bit, or will only apply that effect to that location. So we go effect, noise reduction, okay. So now you'll notice it's made the silence actually silent. And on top of that, you can, what I tend to do is duplicate this effect. So if I do CTRL-D, it duplicates that, and then I start adding effects to the secondary noise. So my first thing is effect, bass and treble, increase both bass and treble, normally up to about 8. That's based on my voice. Apply, so you can see that beefed it up. Close, and then I'll do a duplicate again. Oops, that's duplicated everything. That's not what I want, so I'll just select all of that and duplicate just that one. And then just to mess with it a bit, I'll do effect and pitch, just to give it a bit of a non-normal voice. You can change these settings to whatever you like. I do -20, and there you can see now. What I will do is do one of the duplicates I've got, I'll push them over to the left hand side of the speaker. Second one I'll put to the right, so it sounds like a full rich audio out of both speakers. And in the main audio I'll decrease that by about 6. So now if you play them all together,
Oh yes. No, selector.
it's really loud. So then what I do is normalize all of them. So if I do select all, effect, normalize, all that does is it basically brings it down a notch, so -1. So there you go now, and give that a go again.
Oh yes. No, selector. Rewind. Quick, change the channel.
That was a bit loud there, spiked, so do that again.
Quick, change the channel.
And to save sounds, I basically do all of them in one long line, and then to save an individual one, what I'll do is just click here and just drag up and over. So that's my sound there, and I go File, Export Selected Audio, and that way I can just get a single wave file there for my soundboard. That's a good little trick. Yep, so once you've done your audio in Audacity and saved out the individual sounds that you're looking to bring into your soundboard, you basically open your old soundboard. It auto runs the first one, which we don't want, so I'll stop that. Normally I have this open already, so that wouldn't autoplay. So now we delete what's in there, go to our voice folder again, and just drag over everything. So now we've got the new additions as well. Let's try one of them.
Oh yes. Quick, change the channel.
So there you go.
Subscribe today.